Good morning, friends. So let's prepare salsa di tomate because I have this pasta. So I'm looking to prepare salsa di tomate, tomato sauce at home. For that we need this. So just cut it in a small pieces. Cut it properly. When you can use this like this, you can do to cut in very small pieces. Keep it at medium flame, medium heating. Add little bit oil. Pasta is more or less ready. We have to add this one, Sazano d'Or spaghetti. But this is for spaghetti, but I'm going to add in pasta just to have a little bit taste. So this will give you different taste. This is for the sauce. We have to warm it till it gets brown or red. Garlic. Okay, we are going to cut garlic to small pieces. We have to use like this. Pasta is ready, and this one just a few minutes more. We have to wait. More or less it is ready now time to add garlic, and everything you have to do at the medium flame, you see. So after garlic, what we have to add? Leaves, fresh leaves, cumin and other type of leaves. I don't remember the names. I will write in the discussion section. So just the situation of the leaf, onion and garlic. Now we have to add other ingredients. Little salt, red chili we have to add. We have to take and just break it. So little amount of the salt we have to add. Salt, no, sugar. This is the sugar. So we add azúcar blanco, sugar. This is opium. Right? So we have to add this also, little amount. So we cut. Now we have to add it. Now we have to add hot spicy masala. Spices, no, hot spices. Garam masala we have to add. Spicy masala. No idea where it is, so I'm going to add vegetable masala. Normally we have to add garam masala, but it's okay. If you don't have. So a little amount of the garam masala. Leave it for 2 minutes. We get garam masala our veg masala is in 2 minutes is ready. Otherwise it will burn. And after that we have to add tomato. Now I added tomato here. Okay, we'll leave for a few minutes. So here, wait, I added little bit water also. So now we can increase little bit the heat and wait for 2 minutes. Even you can cover it so it will. So more or less it is ready, and I can take a test. Fantastic. Fantastic. So this is pasta and this is, so let's add. I think that's enough. It's fantastic.